Hello friends, welcome on CodeWebHub. Today we will study about most important questions of database management system. Today we will solve some important questions related DBMS. First question is functional dependencies are generalizations. Select one. Option A, key dependencies. Option B, database dependencies. Option C, relation dependencies. Option D, none of the mentioned. Then answer will be option 1, key dependency. The first question's answer is option A, key dependencies. All questions are very important for examinations. Second question is considering relational database functional dependency between two attributes A and B is denoted by option is A greater than B, option B greater than A, option C, R greater than AB, D, AB greater than R. Then answer will be, second question's answer will be option A greater than B. Option B. Answer will be option A greater than B. Here is written answer. Correct answer is A greater than B. Third question is, let me highlight. Extensions of the relation that satisfy constant of the functional dependencies are considered as select one. Option is semantic extensions. Option B, legal extensions. Option C, relation extensions. Option D, state extensions. Then answer will be legal extensions. The third question's answer is legal extensions. Legal extensions. Question number 5 is, in a functional dependency between two sets of attributes A and B, then set of attribute A of database is classified as select one. A is right hand side, option B down left side, option C top right side, option D left hand side. Then question number fifth answer will be option D, left hand side. Answer will be left hand side. Here is the written answer. Correct answer is left hand side. Question number 6 is, let me highlight first. Considering functional dependency, one is B's removal of some attribute does not affect dependency is called, first is prime functional dependencies, B is partial dependencies, C is transitive dependency, D is full functional dependency. Then answer will be partial dependency. Answer will be option B, partial dependency. Partial dependency. Question number 6 answer is option B, partial dependency. Let's move further the next question. Considering functional dependency, one in which removal from some attribute must affect dependency is called, first is transitive dependency, second is B is full functional dependency, C is prime functional dependency, D is partial dependencies. Then answer will be option B, full functional dependency. Answer will be option B, full functional dependency. Answer will be option B, full functional dependency. Seventh question answer is option B, full functional dependency. Question number 8 is, let me highlight. A relational database consists of a collection of, select one, option A fields, option B tables, option C records, option D keys. Then answer will be option B tables. A relational database consists of a collection of tables. eighth answer is option B, tables. The answer is here written also, tables. Question number 9. Question number 9 is, let me highlight. Question number 9 is, a data is a partial depictions of the schema of a database that shows the relations in the database and their attributes and the primary keys and foreign keys. Select one. Option 1 is relational algebra. Option B, schema flow. Option C, database diagram. Option D, schema diagram. Then answer will be, let me check here, schema diagram. Then answer will be option D, schema diagram. Option will be option D, schema diagram. Option will be option D, schema diagram. Next question is, question number 10 is, the RDBMS terminology for a row is the, let me highlight, the RDBMS terminology for a row is, select one. Tuples, B is relation, C is attribute, D is degree. So what will be the answer? Answer will be option A, tuples. Answer will be option A, tuples. The RDBMS terminology for a row is tuples. Answer will be option A, tuples. Question number 11 is, the tuples of the relations can be of dash dash order. Select one. Option A, any. Option B, consist नहीं है, constant. C, sorted. D, same. Then answer will be any. Answer will be any. The tuples of the relations can be of any order. What will be the answer? Answer will be any. Sorry, let me. Answer will be any. Answer will be any. Question number 12. Question number 12 is, if every functional dependency in set E is also in a closure of F, then this is classified as, select one. F plus is covered by E. Option B, F is covered by E. Option C, E is covered by F. Option D, ED is covered by E. Then answer will be option C, E is covered by F. Answer will be option C, E will be, E is covered by F. Here is written answer also. Question number 13 is, let me highlight. Form of dependency in a which set of attributes that are neither a subset of any case nor candidate key is classified as, select one. Option A, prime function dependency. Option B, transitive dependency. Option C, partial dependency. Option D, full functional dependency. Then answer will be transitive dependency. What will be the answer? Answer will be option B, transitive dependency. Answer will be transitive dependency. Question number 13's answer is option B, transitive dependency. Question number 14 is, let me highlight. Question number 14 is, property of the normalization of the relations which guarantees that the functional dependencies are represented in a separate relations after decomposition is classified as, select one. First is dependency reservations property. B is non-additive join property. C is independently reservation property. D is additive join property. Then what will be the answer? Answer will be dependency reservation property. Answer will be option 1. Answer will be option 1. Question number 15 is, let me highlight. Question number 15 is, rule which states that the additions of some attribute to right side and left side will result in other valid dependencies classified as, select one. Option A is referential rule. Option B, reflexive rule. Option C, argumental rule. Option D, inferential rule. So what will be the answer? Answer will be option C, augmental rule. Option will be option C, augmental rule. All questions are most important for your examinations. These are questions related DBMS. So thanks for watching video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.